Hi friends, welcome back to Ellen's Crochet channel. Welcome to my new and returning subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you stopping by and watching my videos and leaving comments and hitting the like button and doing all the stuff that YouTube likes. So today's video should be a short video. Just wanted to bring you a finished make. I finished my top. If you've watched my last video, this is my peonies. I'm calling it my peonies top because the yarn that I crocheted this with, the colorway is called Peonies, and aptly appropriate. I just love the color of this. Purple is my favorite color, and it's just beautiful. If you have a peony flower, somewhere in the flower you're going to find this beautiful color. So the yarn that I used to crochet this top is the Manos de Uruguay, and the line is the Sammy DK line. It's 100% superwash merino. There's 273 yards per hank, and I used 3 and about a half a hank for this top. I would say this is a medium, although I did the stitch count that Crystal used for her large, because I used a superwash and she used an acrylic yarn. I believe she also used a DK, but the stitch count I used for her, was the same that she used for her large. I think it was 62 or 61 on the starting chain. But if you'll see the tutorial, there'll be a link below. I suggest you go and watch it. It's a great tutorial, perfect for beginners who want to make a wearable. This is so very simple. So I did make a few changes. As anybody who watches my channel knows, I always make a change. Well, not always, but a lot of times I do. A very simple. In Crystal's tutorial, her neckline came a little bit higher. You'll see it. Hers comes probably right around the collarbone. I wanted mine a little bit lower. I tend to get a little warm, I guess. And yeah, I prefer my tops that way. So what I did was, Crystal had, when she broke off, you'll see if you watch the tutorial, she shows you where to break off for the neckline. She did 1 row of clusters on the front and the back. So her neckline and the back were the same. Each panel was the same when you sewed it together. I chose to do 4 rows of clusters on each side in the front for the front yoke, and the back panel I chose to go straight across. So the amount of rows on the back here will be equal to the amount of rows from the shoulder down. I just left off 4 in between for the yoke, the neck area. So it fell a little bit lower on the neckline. I did happen to find a tank top in Walmart that actually exactly matched the top. How ironic was that? It was like it was waiting. I did the sleeves exactly the same as Crystal's tutorial. She shows you how to do the sleeves. Very simple, so easy, and how to decrease it so it's a little bit streamlined as it comes down the arm. And you can make this, you could leave the sleeves off, you can make them a 3/4, you can make them long, whatever. You can make this your top. You do your sleeves as you like, you do your neck as you like. You can make changes. It's very simple. The only other change I made is in Crystal's top, she left the bottom of her top with the single crochet, and she left a little slit. I chose to add a ribbed border on the bottom. I do like a ribbed border on the bottom of my tops every once in a while. You know, it's just a choice. And I had plenty of yarn. If I was a little short on yarn, I probably would have just left it. But so this is it's a single crochet in the back loop ribbing, and there was 9 single crochets. There are many tutorials on how to add ribbing to the to your crochet patterns and sweaters and so on. But, or you could just leave it off. But that's it. My peonies top is done. I think it came out beautifully. I do want to block it because it is superwash merino, which is a wool. And, you know, just so I think it'll bloom a little bit. But I think it came out great. And I'm so happy. I love Crystal's tutorials. And that's it. On to the next, my friends. Not really sure what I'm going to hook next, but I'll think about something. I do have another top that I need to finish. But I think I'm going to start maybe a few blankets for Boggy Creek, which is the camp for children in Florida. But I do have some videos on my channel that go over the Camp Boggy Creek. But I wanted to bring my finished makes. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions that I can answer. And I look forward to it. Take care, and I will see you on the next one, friends. Have a great week. Bye.